Hello, I'm Dr. Muhammad Asif. I welcome you to my channel. I will discuss preparation strategies for a new subject and chapter for CSS aspirants. In this video, I will focus on the following points: 10-point strategy for a new subject using YouTube, 3 important questions, 6-step practical guidelines for a new chapter. Preparation strategies for a new subject. Number 1, check syllabus of the subject or paper you are about to prepare. Number 2, check past question papers of past 5 years. Number 3, check objective type questions of the past papers as well. Number 4, consult a dictionary. For a new subject especially, first go through main terms, concepts. Most of the dictionaries are available free online. Number 5, identify 5 to 7 core important persons, thinkers, and theorists, and focus on their core philosophies, theories, and views. Select at least 10 important quotations from each of the selected thinkers. You don't have to cram them necessarily. Retain the main points or arguments. Quote them in paper intelligently. Number 7. In some subjects, theory is an important part. If theory is important in the subject, even if it is not direct part of the paper, focus on it. Awareness of theoretical background is vital for understanding of any discipline and good marks in the paper. Number 8, select one or maximum 2 books as core books and prepare them thoroughly. Number 9, consult other books for topics that are not properly covered in your core books. Number 10, always discuss your progress with a peer, especially someone who can give you a better advice. Importantly, trust yourself. YouTube is an excellent source. Before you start preparing a subject, check it on YouTube using all the keywords and names or any other item you think important. Keep revisiting them at your ease and pace. YouTube can be of great help, especially for beginners, and there is nothing that is not on YouTube. Number 1, set a realistic time frame for your preparation according to your study habits. Don't try to be idealist. Allow for unexpected delays and other interruptions while setting your timetable. Be practical and prepare systematically. Number 2, there is no time for the first casual or cursory reading. First reading should be slow and steady, focusing on every aspect of the subject from the examination point of view. Underline important points, prepare outline, use sticky notes. Do whatever you do for final examination. Number 3, focus on the objective type questions right from the beginning. Mark important definitions, events, dates, figures, etc., keeping an eye on past papers. 6-step practical guidelines for preparing a new chapter. Copy and paste syllabus guidelines from the FPSC syllabus related to the chapter under consideration. Number 2, copy and paste questions from this chapter in last 5 years. Focus on the core parts of the questions and check the nature of the questions. Check whether the book that you are studying covers all the core parts of the questions. Check the topics in at least one other book. Copy and paste objective type questions from this chapter in last 5 years. When you study the chapter, focus on these MCQs and other questions that can be expected in the question. Identify key concepts and key theories, key facts, and check them in YouTube. Prepare the chapter thoroughly and comprehensively as if it is your last reading before examination. Conclusion: proper planning and systematic preparation are key to success. Determination and perseverance are vital for success in any field of life. Stay confident, trust your judgment. Thank you.